Hi guys, Moz here from Moz651 Models. Something a little bit special today. I have here the 1962 first edition catalogue of Airfix. And I'm going to do this page by page. So you can also look at it and experience what the very first catalogue released by Airfix looks like. It's best if you watch this in HD, so go down to the settings cog and select 1080p. Also, watch it in full screen. This is going to be filmed in HD and you'll experience it better by seeing it big. Anything that takes your fancy or something that catches your eye, just click pause and then move on to the next page. This is the 1962 Airfix Catalogue. Enjoy. So that was the catalogue of Airfix constant scale construction kits. It was released in 1962. This is a first edition. It has lasted the test of time. Unfortunately, the staples have rusted out, so it's not actually together anymore, but I can easily put some new staples in. But I don't really want to because it just adds to the vintageness. It hasn't yellowed very much, there's slight markings there, but it's a really lovely catalogue. And remember, this is what started it all. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and also ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any questions, comments, put them in the box below and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.